This video is brought to you by #Score Marketing Division Sufi Guidance Channel YouTube.
I live in the UK, and I had the opportunity, very lucky opportunity, of meeting Shah Saab at his residence in the number 28. And yes, and I remember that day very well, Shah Saab, because that's the first time I saw you. And everybody keeps saying the fact that you're gorgeous and everything, but one thing that I actually remember about you is that you just have such a gorgeous personality.
Oh, thank you very much,
Baji.
I'm way too cool. Harun bhai, sun lo, I am too cool. I am gorgeous and I've got a gorgeous personality. Ji, aage bole, I love the gorgeous bit.
Shah Saab, and one thing is that I actually suffered from very severe panic attacks, as I told you.
Yeah.
And one day, the very first time that I called you, I was actually going through a panic attack at that time. And you asked me to sit with some water, and you asked me to close my eyes. I think I'm saying it right.
No, you are saying it right. It's the way you said it is very cute, mashallah. Could you say it again, please?
All right, thank you very much.
Yeah, that's all right.
Yeah, and my heartbeat was very high at that moment, and obviously with a panic attack, I had palpitations, and you asked me to close my eyes, and after about 2 minutes, you were actually just controlling my heartbeat from your end. And I could actually feel kind of like a woozy feeling.
Yeah.
My head was kind of going around, and slowly my heartbeat just came down until it was very, very calm. And that was my very first testimonial that I actually put on Facebook about this issue. And I was so shocked and amazed, and it was such an unbelievable experience for me. Firsthand, this experience, and this was the first experience, but there was many more actually. After my husband left, I wanted to become financially independent. I'm a single mother here in Salford, Manchester. I have a 2.5-year-old daughter, and I was worried about myself. I have no family here, and I asked everyone on Facebook to make dua for me, and Shah Saab made dua for me. And I asked him about a job, a part-time job that would help me support myself and make myself financially independent. And he said, and Shah Saab, you said, ho jayega. And actually it happened. I have a part-time job now, and I'm financially independent, and I don't have to think about the finances, Shah Saab. And I'm always grateful to you, and my voice is shaking right now, actually.
It doesn't matter.
This is the first time I'm loud. I've been live.
You don't need to be shaky. It's all right.